If you're running Meta ads or Google ads, you're probably spending multiple hours every day checking dashboards, understanding what you're seeing, and then implementing any changes. And look, I get it. I've been there. It's important. Performance changes constantly, so it's necessary work. But what if you could close your Meta ad dashboard for good without completely neglecting your ad accounts? Well, buying back your time is something that many successful people preach, and that's something you can now do with AI agents. Hermes can give you updates on your ROAS, CPA, CTR, spend, conversion volume, budget pacing, audience performance as often as you'd like, and on top of that, it can even suggest an action changes all on your behalf to save you some seriously valuable time. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how. So the first thing you need to do is click the link in the description. This will take you to the specific page on hosting a site to get the Hermes agent set up. Now, as you can see on their site, it has options, and we'll get to that in just a second. But also lots of information about what Hermes can do, including key features like how it can run 24/7 from your laptop or phone on over 200 LLMs, and also some information about how it's a single-click install and how secure it is due to the dedicated environment for AI agents. There is also a 30-day money-back guarantee, and if you're thinking you're not super savvy with technical setups when it comes to this stuff, there is even an AI bot to help you. Anyway, the plan you want is the second option called KVM2. Click Choose Plan. There are a couple of options. So firstly, I'm going to untick some credits as I'll hook it up to Claude, but there is an untick box that gives you free web searches, so click on that. Next, make sure you're choosing 24 months my discount here. There are also options for your agent to have its own email and a daily backup. I've left these both for now. Then I'll choose the server location, United Kingdom for me, of course. And under Docker application, make sure that Hermes is clicked and then confirm. Okay, so now type in my code, which is Ben Heath, all one word, and it'll give you another 10% off. So that 2 years goes from just over $700 to now just $233.02. Click continue and then sign up. Okay, so this is your hosting a dashboard. Firstly, a couple of things. With the plan, you actually get a free domain, so make sure to unlock that. You also need to verify your email and keep the Hermes agent nice and secure. Then if you scroll down, you can see your VPS running, and that's your virtual private server. So what we want to do is go to the left panel and click Hermes agent. First thing, pick your LLM. It's important to note this runs from an API key, so you're charged for the usage. It won't come out of your Pro or Max plans. I'm going to choose Anthropic, which is Claude. So I'm going to go to my Claude console, click API keys, create a new one called Hermes, and copy that, then paste back into the Hermes setup. And that's it. It's now installed. Take about 30 seconds or so. Now that's done, it's time to pick the Anthropic model to run on. The default right now is Claude Opus 4.1. It's a good compromise of powerful compute, but much cheaper than some of the newer models. Click continue, and now there's an option to connect to Telegram. I don't actually use Telegram, but if you did, it's a very simple install. I'll click skip, and that's it, all done. So click open app, and you're in. It works much like Claude on your phone or desktop right now, so you have the familiar chat. Then on the left side, tasks. These are scheduled prompts that run at specific times or intervals. We'll set one up shortly. Kanban. This is like Trello or Asana for your AI agent to delegate jobs for it to do it for you. Skills. These are skills you can create or import. Hermes already has a number of them preloaded, such as Claude Code to code for you, GIF search, music generation, a tool to scrape YouTube videos, one for Google Workspace so it can access Docs, Drive, Gmail, etc., or Notion if you use that. And there are skills to improve Hermes research or ScrapeX for tweets. Next is the memory tab. These are small text files that tell your Hermes AI agent what to remember about you, your business, clients, the way you like to work, the way you don't like to work, and the agent's soul, how they behave, communicate, and their personality. So we'll ignore some of the others. Insights is good. It shows the health of your Hermes AI agent. Also, within the hosting a Hermes dashboard itself, there are quick links to manage the LLM. So check logs and upkeep and import skills directly. So we've got it set up, but not connected to anything. Now we need to install skills for Meta ads and Google ads too, if you want to. I'll show you later in this video how you can compare results and campaigns across platforms, by the way. So for Meta ads, paste this. I'll put this and the Google ads skill in the description so you can just copy it. And it'll go through a number of checks and install various code to allow this to happen. Click accept on permission prompts. So that's installed, but we need to connect it to our Meta business account. So click the link and click create an app. Type in Hermes for the name. Tick the top two options. Select your business account. For me, that's my agency, Heath Media. Then next again, and then create app and enter your password. Now we're almost there, I promise. We just need to give permissions to the bot. So click use cases, then tools, and tick all 5 options and click get token. Now paste that token into the Hermes chat window in the format it's told you to, let it do its thing, click approve, and there you go. Setup complete. We're good to go. Now it's time to show you what it can do. So the first thing I'm going to ask my agent is to summarize my meta ad campaigns this week. So go away, look at the data within my meta ad manager and compile it into an easy to read list of top line stats like how much I've spent, impressions, CPM, some critical issues it detected to change and recommended steps based on all of that data. Like imagine how long this would take if you had to do it manually. So this is useful, but it'd be way more useful if this or even more complex tasks could be automated so I don't have to worry about it. I'm going to create an 8 a.m. daily meta ads update. So title it whatever you like. In schedule, select the interval. For me, it's 1 day. Then the prompt, you can make this even more complex if you wish to give it the best result possible. Attach the skills it'll use so it knows exactly what it's doing. Click the tick icon, and now you can see it's active, and at 8 a.m. we'll deliver that to my Hermes chat every single day. Now I'll show you one more example prompt. If you're spending across Meta ads and Google ads, which I suggest makes sense for most businesses, then this is for you. Also, a side note, I do actually have a Google ads YouTube channel just like this, where we're almost at 100,000 subscribers, so go ahead and check it out. So I'm going to again run a recurring task. This time I'm going to ask it to compare my Google ads performance versus my Meta ads performance for this week and tell me where it's best to allocate budget for the week. This is going to look at both dashboards, understand both data sets, compare them and the results, and then compile all of that into an easy to understand message that gives me oversight without having to feel like I'm a PPC manager all day long. Now, it's important to note for this to work, you need to connect the Google Ads skill in the description. And something else I absolutely love is that I can choose where this is delivered to. So for me, Slack, Hermes will send me a Slack message with this every single morning without me having to open any dashboards, analyze the data, or even check my laptop. So in one of our test meta ad accounts where we're just running sort of £10 a day just to be able to experiment with things and demonstrate them in videos, I'm going to ask it to double the budget, for example. Excellent. So it successfully doubled the budget for the campaign example ad account. It's just verifying directly with the API. Okay, fab. We've got the confirmation here that the campaign budget has been doubled. So obviously this is quite a basic example of something we've asked it to do, doubling a budget. But once you've got this set up, you can ask it to do all sorts of things that you might want to know or execute within your ad account. So you could set it up so that you receive an alert if your return on ad spend drops by more than 20%, or if your cost per conversion goes too high, or you could have it execute on that. So say if my cost per conversion goes from what it currently is, roughly $40, for example, over $50, that's too expensive for us, turn those ads off. So all sorts of things you can get it to do to help automate your ad management. If you want to try this for yourself, click the link in the description to Hostinger, get their KVM2 plan for Hermes, take advantage of my code for 10% off, and enjoy a one-click install. No excuses, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. Hope this helps. If you found this useful, give the video a like, leave a comment with how you plan to spend all the time you'll save, and hit subscribe to access hundreds of videos on Meta ads and stay up to date with all the new videos I'll be posting.